Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this best Desert Mirage look in DTI. So here we are serving a Desert Mirage fantasy that's hotter than a heat wave. So whether you are channeling a desert goddess, a mirage queen, or a wine-swept warrior, this look is full of golden glam and mystic energy. So let me show you how you can create this look. So for the hair in here, I only use this straight hairstyle and I color it black, and then I'm going to just go creating the outfit. So first I'm going to put on this top in here and change the color into all black. Then I'm going to put on this short pants, then color it brown like this, and in here I'm going to put on this stockings in here and toggle it into, let's remove the ruffles and change it into opaque and change the color into black. And I'm going to also wear this stockings. And now for the shoe, I'm going to combine some shoes in here. The first one, I'm going to wear this heels in here, this one, and just choose a black color. And I'm going to also put on this shoe on the top and change the color into all brown like the pants before, like this. And let's remove the fur. And as for the stockings in here, let's remove the all to go off the feet. And I'm going to also wear this sleeves in here, to go it into number 3 and change the color into dark brown. And I'm going to put on this accessory in here on the arms. And now let's finish the outfit. So here I'm going to also put on these boots from code items. These boots in here, change the color into black. Okay, so that's for the shoe. And I'm going to also put on this dress, but let me use only the skirt and change all the color into brown. Okay, so now let's add some details in here. I'm going to put on this mask and change the color to brown, and also this hoodie in here, also in brown. So now the look is done, and this is the final look. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.